In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a template to a collection in Shopify. This process is important because it allows you to customize the appearance of your collections, making them more engaging and tailored to your brand's aesthetic. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're comfortably situated there, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel, and there, you need to click on Products. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this list, select Collections. This will take you to a page where all your collections are displayed. Next, you need to choose the specific collection to which you'd like to apply a new template. Click on that collection. You'll now be taken to the collection's details page, which is where all the magic happens. Now, turn your attention to the right section of this page. You'll find a drop-down labeled Theme Template. This is the drop-down we're interested in for applying a new look to your collection. Clicking on this drop-down reveals the themes available for you to use. If you're lucky, you'll see a list of different themes you can select from, allowing you to apply any of them with just a click. However, it's important to point out that sometimes you might only see your current default theme listed here. If that's the case, don't worry. It simply means that you need to import more themes into your Shopify store. To add more themes, you can visit Shopify's theme store, where a vast variety of templates are at your disposal. Alternatively, if you already have theme files, you can upload them directly to your Shopify account. It might take a little bit of extra time, but having more theme options at your fingertips can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your collections. And that's all there is to it. With this simple guidance, you can effectively assign a template to any collection within your Shopify store, transforming its visual presentation and potentially enhancing your customer's experience. Keep in mind that exploring different templates can not only showcase your products better, but also align your store's appearance with your brand's unique style. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you enjoyed the video or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.